Welcome my dear student in this new practical, and today we have to see the practical number 6, and the name of this practical is the study of power supply and power protection. Here in this complete practical we have to study the power related devices and power related protection devices, and normally we have to see the computer power protection. First, the computer power supply. The power supply units in this computer, it is in the rectangular box with the several cables that fit in the top black of the case. It is the primary purpose of converting the AC cable from the outlet of the DC power computer can be used. The cable have the connectors on the ends which supply different voltage to the various internal components, and with the main connectors plugging into the motherboard. However, the some called as a modular power supplies contains the built-in the connectors, so you can use only the cable that is very necessary. That is power supply connector. This is simply a power supply connector. This is the power supply. It is called as a power supply, having a heatsink fan. This is a heatsink fan, and these are the connectors. And if you see minutely in this side, you find that this is the on-off switch which is given here. This is the voltage selector by this one. We can select the voltage, and this is the powered cord connector also. Then power supply conform to the ATX factor and come in a range of different wattages from less than 300 watt to more than 1000 watt. Which should you buy? Depends on what type of system you have. For the average system with a 1 or 2 hard disks, the DVD drive, that dual core CPU and low end graphics card, at least 500 watt PSU. If you plan on adding more drive, you get a unit that can handle your job. The better yet, go ahead and buy 600 or 700 watt just in case upgrading is in the future. The very powerful machine such as gaming system can use the power supply that is 1000 watt or more. The motherboard designed for the SLI or the Crossfire have the PSU, that is power supply unit, is specifically made for them. After purchasing, make sure that the voltage is set to the correct number by using the voltage selector, that is 100 to 150 volt or 200 to 250 volt. The Thermaltake or the Coolmax and the Coolmaster are just the some of the major manufacturers of the CPU, of the PSU. These are the different connectors. These are the cable which is connected to the power supply. How it to be installed a power supply, and for to install the power supply, it is really quite very easy. It fits the top black of the case. The first orient the holes on the power supply to those in the case. These are the different pin number 1, so hole number 1, hole number 2, hole number 3 and hole number 4. These are यहाँ पे जितने ये उतने एक केस में pinch करना है. Then place the unit in the space provided to the solid until its screw holes and align. यहाँ पे screw holes से align कर देना है. Securing each hole. Screw holes से align करने के बाद ऐसा है. Finally the power connectors into the motherboard and connect the one way. और आखिरी में जितने भी पावर्स केबल दी है वो पावर्स केबल जैसे जैसे कनेक्टिंग किए वैसे वैसे सीपीयू के थ्रू पावर सप्लाई को कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं. इन दिस वे वी कैन assemble or we can connect the power supply by using power supply protection. Thank you.